I've seen hundreds of Instagram accounts and most of them are making these 3 deadly Instagram mistakes which are absolutely killing their growth. Be one of the few who actually avoids these mistakes and dominate Instagram. Let's go. Mistake number 1 is not liking this video. Of course, I am joking. Or am I? You will never know until you go click that button. Having said that, most people don't make their profile searchable, which is in reality a really deadly Instagram mistake. There are 2 parts of your profile which are completely searchable: your handle and your headline. And not including keywords or repeating keywords in these places makes your Instagram presence weaker. I cannot tell you how many times I don't remember the specific name and I'm trying to search for somebody on Instagram and I cannot find him because he doesn't have any relevant keywords in his handle or his headline. So make sure you are utilizing the characters that Instagram gives you, which are 30 for the headline and around 15 is what I recommend for your handle, and use some keywords in these key placements in order for your profile to be easier to find when someone is typing a keyword in the search bar. The second deadly mistake is highlights. A lot of people are adding too many highlights and some are adding too little highlights. The amount of highlights which I recommend are between 3 and 5 highlights, and you can focus on all types of elements in these highlights, elements such as your story, your products, your freebies, some testimonials. The opportunities truly are endless. Having said that, you need to make sure you follow a proper structure inside each highlight and you have the optimal amount of highlights, which again are between 3 and 5. And another pro tip when it comes down to highlights, make sure you place them in the exact order of importance. For example, in my case, I do have a paid ebook and I always want to promote that, so I place it in the first highlight, and you can easily do that by just adding content to that specific highlight and removing it afterwards. That way Instagram will place the highlight which has been updated most recently in the first place, and that highlight should be your most important highlight. Mistake number 3, content inconsistency. Thus far we've talked about your profile optimization, making it searchable, your highlights, all things which are a part of your Instagram presence. Having said that, some people forget that their profile and their content have to be in sync. So if you're talking about dogs in your Instagram profile, then your content should be about dogs, not cats. And you'd be surprised how many people say that they're an Instagram expert and then their content is focused all about branding or vice versa. You have to make sure that every single touch point of your Instagram presence is optimized and in sync. That way the Instagram algorithm will recognize you as an expert account in a very specific niche and promote you to more people relevant to your industry, and it would be easier for users to understand what the heck you are all about. These are just a few of the many deadly mistakes people are making on Instagram every single day. If you want to learn all of them and get your first 10,000 followers and beyond, get my ebook. Link is in the description. And remember, stay brave.